Hey, everyone from around the world! It's Bobo and Kipi. Our home base is a magical place. It's Bobo and Kipi. We're gonna have some fun, fun for everyone. Wherever you're from, it's plain to see. It's Bobo and Kipi. We're all one big family. It's Bobo and Kipi.
Hi, everyone! I am so excited today. Do you know why? Because it's my birthday today! And Kipi told me she has a special surprise for me. What could it be? Oh, I know! A jump rope! I love to jump! Hold on, or maybe it's a backpack. A backpack for me to carry all my bananas in. No, wait. I know. I bet it's going to be a birthday cake. Yeah, that's it, a birthday cake.
Bobo!
Oh, there she is. She's here. Kipi's coming with my... Kipi?
Yes, Bobo?
What is that?
This is my friend Fropo, and she has come with me to wish you a happy birthday.
I thought you were bringing me a surprise.
Oh, but Fropo is the surprise.
No.
Bobo, what's wrong?
Kipi, first, she's weird and different. And she's just, well, I thought you were bringing me a jump rope.
I can jump very high.
Whoa! What was that?
She just said that she can jump.
Why do you talk like that?
Like what?
Funny like. It's strange.
Oh, where I come from, that's how we talk. Isn't that cool, Bobo?
No.
Bobo? Fropo, wait here. I'll be right back. Okay. Bobo, where are you going? Why are you standing over here?
Because of her. She's weird.
Oh, Bobo, she's not weird. She's just, different.
But Kipi, weird, different, it's all the same to me.
Oh, Bobo, once you get to know her, you'll see. She is really, really nice.
But Kipi, I don't want to get to know her.
But Bobo, she brought you a birthday present, and now you are going to make her feel bad.
I don't want her present. What is it?
Come see.
No way!
Well, it's the only way that you're going to get your present.
Kipi, wait! Can't you just bring it over here?
Nope. And 2 and 3 and 4. And jump. And 2 and 3 and 4. And jump. And 2 and 3 and 4. And jump. And 2 and 3 and 4. And...
Oh, Bobo, I brought you a present from my village. Can I give it to you?
If you want. Wow! It's it's a cake.
You should taste it.
If you want me to. Wow! That's probably the best birthday cake in the world.
Too right. It is made with some special ingredients from my village.
Wow! Food in your village sounds really good. Can we go there sometime?
Of course we can. But you may not like it there.
Oh, why not?
Because there are lots of things there that are different. And you don't like things that are different, remember?
Maybe different isn't so bad after all, huh?
Hey, I have some other different things that I can teach you.
Like what?
Like how to jump without a jump rope.
Wow!
Let's jump.
Okay.
Hey, Kipi,
Yes?
what's that over there?
Oh, that's Fropo.
Hey, Bobo,
Yeah, Gronyo?
can we jump with you?
Sure. Jump with us. It's so much fun. Hey, Fropo.
Yes?
Do you know how to sing?
Too right. But maybe I sing in a way that is a little different than you.
Well, okay. Let's see how you sing.
Okay.
Whenever I feel like singing, This is my song, here is how I sing. Tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la.
Whenever I feel like singing, this is my song, here is how I sing. Bow dow dee, bow dow dow dee, bow dow dee, bow dow dow.
I love singing in my own way,
And I sing my way, that's what we say.
my song and your song are great, each in their own way.
Whenever I feel like dancing, this is the way that I like to dance. Jiggity jiggy wiggle as much as you dare.
Whenever I feel like dancing, this is the way that I like to dance. Jump, jump, up high in the air.
I love dancing in my own way.
And I dance my way, that's what we say.
My dance and your dance are great, each in their own way. Mama Zungu.
Tolerance.
Tolerance.
When you meet someone who is different from you and you really don't know quite what to do, just say hello. Do something kind and you'll gain a friend that is true.
Hey, that's what happened to us, huh? Right, Fropo?
Too right, Bobo.
Come with me now. Jump into my pot. We'll go on a journey and learn a lot. Jasmine, Nabi, Myung, and Aman are all friends, and they are playing a game called Guess the Picture. First, Aman draws a picture on Jasmine's back, and she has to guess what Aman drew. Can you guess what Aman drew?
It's a balloon!
Well done! Now it's Myung's turn to draw on Aman. Can you guess what Myung is drawing?
It's a flower!
Nabi is drawing on Myung's back. Can you guess what Nabi is drawing?
It's a tree!
That's right. Finally, it's Jasmine's turn to draw on Nabi's back. Can you guess what Jasmine is drawing?
It's a cake!
Exactly!
Hey, why don't we play Guess the Picture?
Yeah, let's play. I'll go first.
No, I want to go first.
Oh, I'll go first.
I'm gonna
You
go
don't know
first.
how to play. You always want to go first, but you know
And you thought I was strange.
Hey, story time with Papa Sete. Let's go.
Yay, let's go!
Hello, Papa Sete.
Hello.
This is Fropo, and she's my new friend.
G'day, mate.
I know she looks a little weird, but don't worry. She's really nice. Fropo knows how to jump really high.
Well, that's perfect. Jump right up here and I will tell you a wonderful story called Pichu Hits the Right Beat. One day, Pichu was practicing playing the drums. He loved the boom, boom, boom sound his drums made. Suddenly, Pichu heard another sound. It wasn't a boom, boom, boom. It was a la, la, la. His sister Lua was singing. Pichu called out,
Hey, Lua, you're making too much noise with your singing. I'm trying to play my drums.
Lua replied.
I'm sorry, Pichu. I have to practice because I'm singing in the choir tonight. And it isn't easy to practice singing without making noise.
So Pichu went back to playing his drums. Suddenly, Pichu heard another sound. It wasn't a boom, boom, boom. It was a chop, chop, chop. His father was chopping wood. Pichu said,
Excuse me, Father. You're making too much noise with your wood. I'm trying to play my drums.
I'm sorry, son. If you want to eat some dinner tonight, we need some wood for the fire. It isn't easy to chop wood without making any noise.
So Pichu went back to playing his drums. Suddenly, Pichu heard another sound. It wasn't a boom, boom, boom. It was a clank, clank, clank. His mother was washing the dishes. Pichu said,
Excuse me, Mother. I am trying to play my drums, but everyone is making too much noise. Lua is singing la la la. Father is going chop, chop, chop. And you are clang, clang, clanging the dishes. I can't concentrate on my drums.
Well, Pichu, we all have our jobs to do. And you know, we all have to listen to you playing your drums.
Pichu replied.
But I'm practicing.
That's right. That is why we are tolerant of your boom, boom, booming. Pichu, if you listen carefully to the noises of our family, it just might help you with your drumming.
So Pichu went back to playing his drums and he heard a whole new sound.
La la la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
It was the rhythm of his family, and he was able to play along to the beat on his drums.
Oh, thank you, Papa Zete. That was a wonderful story.
Oh, my little Kipi, I'm glad you liked it.
I like to play the drums too.
Bum, 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 bum.
Hey, my favorite drum is a cymbal. Bang!
Hey everyone, it's time for us to go now. But we will see you here again next time.
Yeah, ready everyone? It's time for us all to hop, hop, hop away.
Yay, let's hop together.
There's a dance I like to dance. Watch closely, here is the Fropo dance. Jump, jump, jump high in the air.
Hey, everyone from around the world, it's Bobo and Kipi. Our home base is a magical place. It's Bobo and Kipi. We're gonna have some fun, fun for everyone. Wherever you're from, it's plain to see. It's Bobo